AI will take your job and there's nothing that you can do about that. Or is there?
Pull up, hop out, dope got the top off. All eyes on me, all my takers, sunset, ballin', dripping. I'm in love with the band.
Companies are offering huge amounts for candidates that have experience with ChatGPT, and others are hiring for the position of prompt engineer, which literally means that you're very good at, or at least say you're good at, writing prompts, just writing ChatGPT prompts. People are paying other people for just writing ChatGPT prompts. Almost every company is adding some sort of AI feature to their product. Elon Musk is building self-driving cars and weird-looking robots, and fast food chains are adding robot arms that make perfect burgers every time and don't really need a break. So as a software engineer, I can now do 50% more work with 70% less effort, which theoretically makes me 50% less valuable. Because trust me, as soon as AI can do 80% of my job, no company is gonna hesitate to fire me right away. But hold on, pump the brakes. What if I told you that this is not a downfall, but something greater? Sure, AI is taking over many jobs, but those who leverage it, those who embrace it, they are gonna have the upper hand in steering this future into something that's more than just having a job, but creating opportunities that we can't even imagine right now. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. There was the same fear, the same uncertainty. People didn't know what to do. But look at all that came out of it, right? A new era, new jobs, unprecedented growth. We are right now at the doorstep of another revolution powered by AI and with boundless and infinite possibilities.
Now, you may have heard of ChatGPT. It's a popular online chatbot which is powered by artificial intelligence. And you can ask it to write essays for you, write computer code, even give you creative ideas.
Picture this. Your day-to-day tasks, those eating up your hours, being handled swiftly and accurately by AI. It's us but upgraded, right? Imagine having the time to dream, to create, to take your ideas from 0 to 100, all because you have an AI teammate, a sidekick that can cut through the noise, letting you focus on the things that actually matter. Now, I get it. It's a big change. It's new territory. We don't know what's going to happen. But if history has shown something, it's that it's those who are the bold, the adaptable, the creative ones that persist and make it to the dreams that they're actually hoping to accomplish. So here's the deal. We're not just gonna sit down and let the parade pass by not doing anything, right? We're gonna go ahead and explore and lead this technology boom so that we're at the forefront and have a competitive advantage over the whole industry that's not going in the same direction. So as we step into this new AI frontier, I say, bring it on. Let's not fear AI, but actually embrace it and be the pioneers that drive the future forward, improving our business and making things better for our customers and for our products. And I ask you, are you ready to take AI and leverage these amazing tools to have that competitive edge? Because I'm ready and I'm all in. Are you?